In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your master password in 1password. Now, we all know how crucial it is to keep our passwords updated, and your master password is no exception. It's the key to all your data stored within 1password, so knowing how to change it when necessary is important. Let's dive into the steps together. First up, we need to open up the 1password website. So go ahead and launch your preferred web browser and head over to 1password's official site. Once you've landed on their homepage, you'll want to locate the Login button. This is typically found at the upper right-hand corner of the page. A quick click here will direct you to the sign-in page where you can enter your current account details. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the 1password home. This is your hub where you'll find all the necessary options for managing your account. You should see a menu or dashboard, and at this point, you're aiming for the Profile section. Clicking on Profile takes you one step closer to changing your master password. With your profile page open, let's move forward by selecting Manage Account. It's here in the Account Management area that you have the tools to alter your account settings, including your all-important master password. Make sure to take a moment to review any other account details you might want to update while you're in this section. Next, you'll see the option labeled Change Password. This is what you've been looking for. Click on Change Password, and you'll be guided through the process of updating your master password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique while still being something you can remember. A mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols will ensure a more secure password. As you complete this process, it's crucial to double-check your new master password. Take a moment to write it down and store it securely in a non-digital format, or use a secure notes feature within your password manager if available. And there you have it. By taking these steps, you've successfully changed your master password within 1password. Remember, it's a good practice to update your passwords regularly to maintain the security of your account. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide on how to change your master password in 1password. We hope you feel more confident in managing your password security. If you found this guide helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one. Stay secure, and I'll see you next time.